Hi everybody, it's Julie the Whippy Chick, and I am back with day 30, no, day 29. I think it's day 29 of my March series, Crochet Life Hacks. So this entire series has been about different crocheted items that you can make that will make your life easier. So I think this is the prettiest thing ever. And I don't even own a hot water bottle. We don't really use them much here in the United States that I'm aware of, but I know that in some European countries and in maybe Australia, I've seen it in like movies and stuff that people have hot water bottle heaters. So I'm guessing you put hot water in them and put them on the bed and it warms it up or something. I'm not really sure. Oh my gosh, I'm really showing my ignorance right now. Either way, this makes me want to have one because it's so pretty. I love the look of these. So this is the crochet pattern hot water bottle cover by, let me see if I can say this name, Linda Design. It's kind of a hard one to say for me. This is available for purchase. It's $3.13 US dollars. And it's just really, really pretty. I'm going to take some screenshots here so you can see what I am looking at. It looks like it's pretty simple. It looks like you make a bunch of granny squares, not the classic granny squares, but the circular ones. And then you piece them together, and it looks like you probably have to, you know, stitch around them and then of course do the nozzle cover at the top. So this is really cute. I love the colors that she uses. Oh, and of course at the bottom you have to have a spot to put the hot water bottle heater, so there are buttons that flap over to close it. So there's a picture of that as well. Let's see, hot water bottles are, it says hot water bottles also like to wear warm clothes, and why shouldn't they be fancy and colorful? I agree. I agree with that completely. I'm going to take a picture of some of the comments as well. Gorgeous pattern, very easy to follow. Good clear PDF with clear written and picture instructions. Beautiful crochet pattern, easy pattern to understand even for beginners. Thanks for the instructions. Looking forward to crocheting. So yeah, this has really good reviews. It looks simple enough to make, and it looks useful as well. So let me know in the comments below. 1, do you have a hot water bottle? 2, do you use your hot water bottle? And 3, would you make this pattern for your hot water bottle? I would love to know what you think of this idea. I think it's super cute, and it makes me want to run out and buy a hot water bottle. As always, if you're interested in making this, click in that link in the description box below. It's going to take you right to my Pinterest board. Then find the picture of the pattern you wish to make. Click on that and it's going to take you directly to the pattern. There's not going to be any ads. There's not going to be any blogs to go scrolling through. You're going to get exactly what you are looking for. All right, until tomorrow's fantastic idea, I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.